This is Johan from BeesNeez Pro Audio, and in this video we're taking a look at the BeesNeez Arabella microphone. The BeesNeez Arabella is a large-diaphragm multipattern tube condenser microphone. Now, when you first pick up this microphone, the first impression you get is just how solid it is. It feels like a solid piece of metal, and that's really because to a large degree it actually is a solid piece of metal. The body tube and the base are machined from high quality brass, while the head unit is cut from bronze. It's built like a tank, but at the same time it looks fantastic. The powder coated finish on the body and the nickel plated head unit give it a refined and elegant appearance. At the heart of the Arabella is the BeesNeez BN-K47 capsule. This is a faithful recreation of the original K47 capsule. And that instantly tells us that this is a mic that feels right at home alongside classics like the Neumann U47, U48 and the M49. But although these vintage microphones provided the sonic inspiration for the Arabella, this mic really is engineered as a modern microphone in its own right. The tube in the Arabella is a Russian 6ZH8, and the transformer is a custom BeesNeez 6.5:1 toroidal design with a Ni78 permalloy core. Now, compared to vintage microphones using the K47 capsule, this transformer design is a modern advantage that contributes to a cleaner signal, a tighter transient response, and minimal distortion and self-noise. The Arabella features 9 switchable polar patterns. You've got omni, cardioid, and figure 8, plus 6 blended steps in between. Now these are all selected remotely via the power supply unit. In describing the sound signature of the Arabella, the best place to start is with the sound of the K47 capsule. Now, mics using this capsule are often characterized by an authoritative mid-range presence, a low end that's full and focused, and a high end that's natural and gently tapered. Therefore, vocals recorded on these mics often sound punchy and forward. For comparison, microphones using the CK12 capsule, for example, the AKG C12 and the Telefunken Eli M251, are defined by their extended and airy high-end frequencies. The Arabella delivers the signature mid-forward presence of the K47 family. It's got a smooth yet authoritative push in the upper mid-range that helps sources it firmly and confidently in the mix. Thanks to the particular combination of the BN-K47 capsule, the custom toroidal transformer, and the tube that BeesNeez picked, this microphone captures nuance and detail with accuracy, while still delivering a sound that's smooth, deep, and harmonically rich. You could say it's got modern clarity, and yet the character and warmth of a vintage microphone. For this reason, the Arabella is an excellent microphone for orchestral instruments, especially for strings. The capsule's gently tapered high end, along with the low slew rate of the tube, helps to smooth out the harshness and edge that can sometimes be a natural part of these instruments. And at the same time, the tube brings in even order harmonic distortion that enhances the warmth and body of the instrument, while the toroidal transformer with its Ni78 core contributes specifically to a phase-coherent, tight and fast low end. This microphone really brings out the best from instruments like cello, upright bass, and acoustic guitar. It captures the body and resonance of the instrument in a flattering yet accurate way. The Arabella is also perfectly capable of being used as drum overheads and on guitar cabs. And its multiple pickup patterns also makes it a very versatile and capable microphone that can be very effective in complex studio setups. And last but not least, the Arabella is fantastic for lead vocals. The voice is natural but harmonically rich with a smooth high end. It helps the performance to feel large without ever sounding harsh. Each purchase of an Arabella microphone includes a dedicated power supply unit with remote pattern switching, a swivel mount connector with a connecting lead, and a sturdy black hard case. In conclusion, the BeesNeez Arabella brings together the musical authority of a classic K47-based tube microphone with the precision and reliability of modern engineering. It's a refined and versatile microphone that captures depth, warmth, and realism across vocals and instruments, while always sounding elegant and controlled.